Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. This is my lecture 2 on the topic of basic geometry. Today I discuss about the angles and quadrilaterals and circles also. In my previous video I already discussed the another topic. Today I discuss 3 topics on today. Now let's start. Now I discuss about the angles. I already discussed in my previous class, but I discuss and revision also. This is angles. What is angles? Two rays meet at a point, then angle is formed. When two rays meet at a point, then angle is formed. Here OA and OB are two rays. Meet at a point O. This form here angles. O is called the vertex. O is called the vertex of the angle, and OA and OB are arms. Arms of an angles also. Okay. Now I discuss about the here. I also discuss here the in the triangle. These three are vertex. In the triangle, here A, B, C are vertices or vertex. Singular number is vertex and plural number is vertices. And AB, BC and AC are called sides. Sides of the triangle. This is called sides of the triangle. And A, B, C are called angle. A, B, C are called angles. This is angles. Okay. As same as the quadrilateral, here A, B, C, D, I write the name. Here A, B, C, D are vertices. Okay. And AB, BC, DC and AD are called sides of the quadrilateral. Sides of the quadrilaterals. And here A, B, C, D angles. Here 4 angles are quadrilateral and having 4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 angles. And triangle having 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles also. Now I discuss about the types of angles. Now I discuss about the types of angles. What is types of angles? Now I just make a chart. You can also do with me. The first is zero angle. The second one acute angle. The third one right angle. The fourth one obtuse angle. The fifth one straight angle. The sixth one is reflex angle. And the 7th one is complete angle. Okay. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 types of angles present here. Now I will discuss about the 7 types of angles. What is zero angle? Zero angle is the first one is zero angle. The angle which is measures 0. This is the zero angle. OA here is zero angle. Okay. The angle measures 0 degree is called the zero angle. And the second one acute angle. The angle measures 0 degree is called zero angle. And acute angle is what? Acute angle is just the angle is denoted as theta also. Here 0 greater than theta and less than 90 degree. 0 degree, greater than theta and less than 90 degree. The acute angle is greater than 0 and less than 90. The angle having measures is greater than 0 and less than 90. The example of acute angle is 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, just like this. And the third one is right angle. The angle measures 90 degree is called right angle. Okay, angle measure 90 is called right angle. And fourth one is obtuse angle. The angle measure greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This is called obtuse angle. This is greater than 90, less than 180 is called the obtuse angle. The example of this one is 120 degree, 150 degree, just like this. And the fifth one is what? The fifth one is straight angle. The angle measured 180 degree is called straight angle. The angle measures 180 degree is called straight angle. Now I am discuss about the reflex angle. The angle measures greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. The example of reflex angle is what? This is 270 degree, 299 degree also, like this. Be less than 360, greater than 180. And what is the complete angle? The seventh is complete 360 degree angle is called complete angle. The circle is 360. This is called the complete angle. The angle is represented by theta. Angle is represented by theta. Angle is, this is very important, represented by this sign. Just you put a 0 and cut in the middle. This is called theta. Okay, this is called theta. Here first I discuss 0 angle, then acute angle, then right angle, then obtuse angle, then straight angle, then reflex angle, and then the complete angle. Before going to the next part of the video, you just pause it and write all these things which I have already written on the board also. Now I discuss about the circles. The circles. First I discuss about the definition of the circles. This is very particular definition I give. This is, listen carefully. A set of points in a plane which is equidistant from a certain point, which is equidistant from a certain point, is called circle. What is circle? A set of points in a plane which is equidistant from a certain point is called circle. A set of points in a plane which is equidistant from a certain point is called circle. Okay, clear? The certain point is center. The certain point is called center. Okay, the center, here center is denoted as O. O is center here. Okay, now the equidistance, the fixed distance is called the radius. The fixed distance, this is the fixed distance. OA is equal to OB, like this is called, the fixed distance is called radius. Okay, this is the circle, this is the fixed point is center, and the fixed distance is called the radius. And now I discuss about the another things of the parts of a circle. Here A and B I already write. The diameter. the double radius is called the diameter. Here also be OAB is equal to radius, OA also radius. This is the diameter. If you join one point to another point on the circle, passing to the center is called diameter. Here AB is diameter. Okay, diameter. Here and diameter is denoted as D and radius is R. Here radius is denoted as R, diameter is denoted as D. D is equal to 2R. Diameter is always the double of radius, and that implies radius is also half of diameter. This is very important thing also. Now I am discuss about the next part of the next portion of the circle, which is the boundary line is called the circumference. These lines, the boundary lines is called the circumference. The boundary line, the first topic is center, the second topic is radius, third topic is diameter, and fourth topic is circumference. The boundary line is called circumference. Circumference. Okay, the boundary line is called the circumference. CIRCUFERENCE. This is the circumference. And now, the chord. Okay, chord. What is chord? If I join any two points on a circumference, then the line segment joining any two points on the circumference, this line segment is called the chord. Here the 5 is CD is chord. Okay, CHORD. The biggest chord of the circle is diameter. This is very important. Biggest or longest. Here I also can write longest. The longest chord is called diameter. Okay. The longest chord is called diameter. Now I discuss about the secant. The line which is passes through, this is the line segment. Chord is a line segment. And secant is what? The line passes through 2 points on a circle is called the secant. Here PQ is called the secant. The line which is passes through 2 points on the circumference is called secant. ACCANT. This is called secant. Now the segment. What is segment? The chord and the arc of a circle make a segment. The arc of a circle is what? The part of a circle. Okay, now I discuss about the arc. The part of a circle is called arc. Such that here I also part of a circle. The arc is denoted by like this. Here CD. CD is the arc. Anything, any part of the circle is called the arc also. And now the segment. The segment is what? Segment is a chord and the arc make the segment. This portion is called, here I write the name, another thing also. In here I write this portion is called the segment. The chord and the arc make a segment. Here the segment is CMD, also the segment. Okay. And the another thing is the radius and the arc make a sector. The radius and the arc make a sector. Here radius is OS and OT are the radius and the arc is ST. Three things are two radius and the arc make a sector. Make a sector. Okay, make a sector. And the another thing is that the half portion of the circle is called the semicircle. The diameter divides the circle in two parts. The diameter divides the circle in two parts. The diameter divides the circle in two parts. This is called the semicircle. Okay, the 10 number I write here. The half part of the circle is called semicircle. Semicircle. The half part of the circle is called semicircle. And the last topic is, this is 11th number topic. This is concentric circle. Our circles are the group of circles having the same center is called concentric circles. Like this, a group of circles having the same center. This group of circle is called concentric circle. Concentric circle. Okay, the group of circle having the same center is called concentric circle. And I think so. Before going to the next part, all the students please write down this one. This is very important thing in the whole life where you use the mathematics. The basic geometry is very essential topic in the whole mathematics. This is also class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you just use the mathematics, you just take the mathematics, the basic geometry is very important thing. I think so you cannot learn this just to understand. Basic geometry you can understand and apply. And application is important, not commenting. Now basic geometry, there's so much definition. Maximum students are thinking so much definition in the basic geometry. Basic geometry you cannot learn. Just you remembering it and just you understand this one, which I am giving the definition. And then understanding is important, not commenting. Not this is commenting and vomiting in the examination. The applications of the basic geometry is important, not definition. You cannot learn the definition. You just understand, and the some MCQs questions are there from the topic. You just to give the answer also. I discussed the types of quadrilaterals. The first I discussed about the what is quadrilateral. The quadrilaterals is a polygon having four sides. A polygon having four sides is called the quadrilaterals. Now I discuss about the types of quadrilaterals. Then the types of quadrilateral is, the first types is rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and kite also. Okay, the first I discuss about the rectangle. Rectangle is what? Rectangle is a quadrilateral. Opposite sides are equal. Where the opposite sides are equal and parallel also. This is our types of quadrilateral. And here also these opposite sides are equal and parallel also. Now I write here AB is equal to CD and AC is equal to BD also. And AB parallel to CD and AC parallel to BD. And also each angle is 90 degree. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D is 90 degree. As the four angles, all the students listen carefully, four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay. Now I discuss about the square. What is square? The square is a quadrilateral having four sides are equal. Here the square, the four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel also, and each angle is 90 degree. Okay. Now PQ is equal to QR and is equal to RS. is equal to SP also, and parallel is SR parallel to PQ and SP parallel to RQ also, and angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S is equal, and each angle is 90 degree. Okay. Now I discuss about the parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Rectangle is a special type of parallelogram. The parallelogram is what? Parallelogram is that opposite sides are equal and parallel also. Okay, parallelogram is a quadrilateral, is having the opposite sides are equal and parallel also. Here I already write this one, AB is equal to DC and AB parallel to DC also, and AD is equal to BC and AD parallel to BC also. And here not each angle is equal. This is the parallelogram. Rectangle is a special type of parallelogram. Now we discuss about the rhombus. The rhombus is a quadrilateral. Each and every sides are equal. Okay. Here I also write PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP also. Four sides are equal in a quadrilateral is called rhombus. And opposite sides are parallel also. PQ parallel to SR and PS parallel to QR. Okay, and square is a special type of rhombus. And now I am discussing about the trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral. Here opposite sides are, one pair of opposite sides are equal and another pair of opposite sides are unequal. This is the trapezium. Here I write AB parallel to CD parallel to CD and AD not parallel to BC. AD not parallel to BC. Okay, here AD not, I write AD not parallel to BC also. Now I have discussed about the kite. Kite is a special type of quadrilateral. Here the figure is like this. Here AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC or CD also. BC is equal to CD and AB is equal to AD. This is the kite. Okay. Now before going to the next part of the video, you just pause it and write all these things what I already write. Now you just pause and write all these things. That's all for today. If you like my video, please press the like button and you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get the further notification. Stay safe, stay at home also. That's all for today. Thank you very much.